how to connect Grok Cloud AI, a free large language model with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to connect Grok AI, a fast and completely free large language model with n8n. Now, if you don't know what is Grok AI, it's basically a cloud-based platform that lets you to run high-speed interface using open source LLM like Llama 3 or Extra. And the best part, it is 100% free. So let's get started. So here's we are going to do in this video. First, we will add credential of Grok AI. We will connect Grok AI with n8n and we will create a short automation. So it will take input as a chat and just simply let's execute this. So, okay. So it will take as a input and it will run through Grok chat model and it will just give output in the form of Google Sheet. So I have connected Google Sheet. So let's get started. First thing first, what we have to do is just simply click on this Grok chat model to create credential. So how you can just simply access these. First, we will add AI agent. In the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Just simply search AI and you will find this AI agent. Now just put over here. Now you will get when chat message is received. Now in the chat model, click on the plus. You will find this Grok chat model. Just select it and click on this create new credential. Now you have to enter the API key. Now just go to Grok Cloud. This is the interface of you have to create an account in Grok Cloud. Now this is what you can use in it, like reasoning model. They have QuenQ, WQ, then they have DeepSeek R1, lots of other models. Now click on this API keys and to get access of your API keys. Now click on the create API key. Now give a name to your API key and verify you are a human. Now I will just simply submit some wrong name and copy this API key and paste into this API case section and click on the save. Now, as you can see, we have successfully connected our chat model with n8n cloud version. So if you're using hosted version, I guess it works very similar. So you don't need to do extra things. Now you have to choose if you want to choose different model. I will just select the default one. But if you want to choose different version of Grok chat model, you can use it. So yeah, just click on it and then let's add something over here to just take our workflow in the next level. Now search for Google Sheet and let's add append raw in a sheet. So what basically it will do, it basically do that I will give input. It's basically prompt. It will run that prompt through this Grok chat model, and whatever the output will come, it will give that output into Google Sheet. Now, as you can see, I have tried already. So let's go and set up. If you don't know how to set up credential for Google Sheet, I have already created a video how you can create credential for Google Sheet. And if you don't know if you are using cloud version, so basically click on this create and sign in with the Google. But if you are not using a cloud version, if you are using the hosted version, so you have to set up the cloud console. So I have already created a video. It will take a lot of time to just demonstrate again. Now, you have to select the resource sheet with document. Then you have to choose operation, which is update raw. No, we don't need to choose update raw. We have to select append raw. So it basically there is no output over here. So that's what. So choose the document, then choose the file sheet. Now let's it will fetch. Now just remove this input. Now before execute, how to grow on YouTube, and hit the enter. Let's work. Okay, we haven't set up yet AI agent. So First, what you have to do is set up your AI agent and require specific output format. If you want system message, if you want to give, you can add here. So let's execute again, see if it works or not. Okay, it's not able to take as an input. So what you are going to do is the anti. So let's add over here test low. So our this has been executed. Now we get the chat input. Just drag this chat input into your prompt user message. If you choose the connected chatbot trigger node, it will basically choose chat input default. But if you want to add a different thing over here, you can add define below here. You can choose define below. Now I have added system message. Let's execute this. As you can see here in the output, we get the output from this chatbot LLM. Now let's add a raw over here. Now we get the output. Just drag this AI agent's output into output section. So I have already created a file. So yeah, you need to create a file and then add name. Then from there, you can choose a name from here. Like it will give you automatic values to send. Now, mapping, it's okay, it's fine, all fine. Now let's execute this step. Let's see if any error occurs. So output is came. Now, as you can see here, hello, I am doing great. Thanks for watching. This is a second output. Yeah. So this is how you can do. This is how you can use the chat model. So yeah, once it is connected, you can build your own AI assistant or chatbot workflows. You can summarize email, you can generate content or process data automatically for free. You don't need to pay to API keys to ChatGPT or Anthropic. I know there are a lot, they have a lot of advantages, but for the beginner starter, you can use Grok chat model. So, or yeah, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.